I'm here with Greg Ng again of Brooksville Interactive. Greg is our team captain for Team RDU Movember-a-thon. We're raising money for men's health, specifically prostate and testicular cancer research. So Greg, real quick, I know you just did Movember-a-thon. It was an awesome event. I got to participate. I had the time of my life. We had some awesome ice cream.
We sure did.
And so I just want to get an update. How's Movember-a-thon going so far?
Well, Movember as a movement is going very well. You know, there are many different stages of Movember. Movember is a global movement. We're about a third of the way through the month of November, getting a lot of good growth, you, me, our teammates. The charity as a whole is getting a lot of good press. Here in the Triangle, Team RDU, we are 103 members strong. We've raised as a team over $12,000. We're almost at the halfway point. We have a team goal of $30,000.
All right.
And we are on our way. So we are still growing and still promoting and still urging people to participate, to donate, to spread the word, and most importantly, to get themselves checked.
Definitely.
For prostate cancer and testicular cancer.
I've been checked, have you?
I have not recently,
Okay.
but I have one booked.
Okay. Well, Greg, thanks for the update on Movember-a-thon, and everybody go out there and you know, even if it's $1 or $5, contribute to Movember.